Are you still confused by finance, accounts, and business law? Hi, I'm Sophie. I have completed my BCom from Islamic College, MCom from KU, and also have the certifications in PGDCA, DCPA, and have Tally and SAP certifications from a recognized NGO. I am also pursuing CA from the Delhi chapter. अर्ज किया है कि वो बेमोल था, गिरा था, नायाब था, किसी की खातिर एक अर्जा नीलाम हो गया था, रकीब को भी हंस के गले लगा लिया हमने, वो शाह का ख्याल इमाम हो गया था, जीते जी तो मिर्ज़ा गुमनाम ही रहा, जीते जी तो मिर्ज़ा गुमनाम ही रहा, मरा तो ये सारा शहर उसके नाम हो गया. If you want to understand finance, accounting and business law, Finance with Sophie can be your one stop. On this channel, I explain the concepts with easy language and real life examples. So if you want to understand concepts in the easy and the faster way, Finance with Sophie is the right place for you. So subscribe to Finance with Sophie and start your journey.